Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a BMW X3 guys and you need to remove or replace oxygen sensors. Let's say you need to replace oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1 or bank 2 sensor 1. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. We'll demonstrate on a 6-cylinder engine, but even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, the procedure will apply and we'll explain about that as well. Make sure to stay until the end guys, we'll share more information and more about testing the oxygen sensor, so make sure guys you stay until the end. We'll try to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy new sensors, parts, tools, anything like that, check out the links in the description of the video below guys. We share them for your convenience and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Something else guys, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. And we are specifically making this video guys because many of you actually asked us to make that video guys, because there is very limited information on BMW X3, but many of you don't know that the same engine actually has been used in BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5 and 1 Series BMW here in the United States guys. So if you have a 6-cylinder engine on BMW X3, the procedure will apply to it guys. If you have a 4-cylinder, we will explain, okay, it will be almost the same as well. But before we start, let me just share one thing with you quick guys. Check this channel out, Auto Repair guys. This is our main channel and we have helped more than 75 million people. We have information that can save you guys thousands of dollars on car repairs, so check it out, you'll definitely find the information helpful. First step will be to remove the upper engine cover. And as I said, we're making that video because many of you requested the information in the description of the video below. So if you have any other guys problems, just leave a comment and when we have time we'll try to make a video. So bank 1 sensor 1, what it means, and bank 2 sensor 1 guys. Bank 1, your 6-cylinder engines will be divided into 2 parts. The first part, cylinder 1, 2 and 3 is bank 1, bank 2 is cylinder 4, 5 and 6. It's kind of like 2 engines in one guys. So bank 1 sensor 1, okay, is that bank 1 sensor 1 is that oxygen sensor on cylinder number 1, 2 and 3 exhaust manifold right there. Bank 2 sensor 1 guys, it's the other one right there. This is on cylinder 4, 5 and 6. If you have a 4-cylinder engine on BMW X3, you just have bank 1 sensor 1. You will not have bank 2 sensor 1 guys. So 6-cylinder engine will have 2 upstream oxygen sensors, 4-cylinder will have 1. And when you remove your engine cover, you're going to come right here and you will notice that you have these connectors. These connectors are actually the ones for the oxygen sensors guys. And these connectors, okay, like this one, you just pull it out. Okay, you need to get the wire out of the holders here and you need to just go ahead and disconnect it guys. Pretty simple now. Press down there and disconnect it. Now we will explain guys about bank 1, okay, sensor 1. If you need to replace bank 2 sensor 1 will be this one right here. But it's actually guys the same thing with one difference and we will explain that as we go. So this cable, we'll just pull it out now. It gets a little bit stuck here, so okay, we get it out. And we're ready to pull the cable out guys. Now there is one thing guys. On bank 2 sensor 1, this is the second oxygen sensor right there, you will have that metal plate on top of the sensor and that's where the wires will go to. And you will have 2 metal clips, one here, okay, attached to that plate right here, and then you have another metal clip, okay, over there holding bank 1 and bank 2 sensor 1 together, and then it attaches, okay, to this plate right here. So you will need to guys disconnect them, okay, you can see, otherwise they will not come loose. If you need to replace bank 2 sensor 1, the other one sensor, you need to remove that plate. This plate guys, it attaches with 2 bolts, one over here, one on the other side over there. So they will be kind of like that and you need to come from underneath, okay, and get them loose. You will be using guys, okay, let me show you the bolts, what they look like, and I'll show you what tools you need to use. Okay, this is the bolts, it's the reverse Torx bolts or female Torx bolts. So you will need to guys actually, okay, remove these bolts in order to remove the plate and replace bank 2 sensor 1. You don't need to do that for bank 1 sensor 1. Then you need a special socket for oxygen sensor removal. And make sure to stay until the end. I want to share something very important with you. This socket goes through the wire goes on the sensor, and check it out, guys. Okay, like that. Okay, we need to go all the way. Okay, let's see if we can come a little bit more. Okay, this way right here. It just gets stuck there. Let's see if we can do it a little bit twisted. No, same thing. Let's see if we can get it loose like that. Depending, guys, on what we're demonstrating on 3 Series, but the same engine is in X3, as I said. Your coolant overflow tank may not be here. That sensor may be really stuck, guys. Okay, it came loose. You may need to even use the big breaker bar. It really depends how stuck it is. The moment you get it loose, you don't even need the tool anymore. You can just turn it by hand most of the times, guys. So just grab the sensor, okay, and start getting that thing loose. Okay, you can see it just like that. Perfect. And we're about to pull it out. So I want to, guys, discuss something really quick with you. Okay, when you're replacing sensors. When you're getting new sensors, guys, I would recommend always go with factory sensors. Okay, we used aftermarket sensors in the past and we weren't very pleased with them due to the fact that we had problems, engine light was back on, and we had to replace them with original sensors, and our fuel economy was terrible. Maybe you may have luck if you want to try it, but I'll share the link to the original sensors and where you can get them for, so definitely, guys, check it out if you need help with that. If you need to test the oxygen sensors, we have the special video on our channel that explains how to do that, and I'm going to put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, guys, so please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.